small car problems can quietly ruin your entire driving experience. So I picked 3 simple car gadgets that improve comfort, storage, and daily driving in a practical way. And don't skip the end, because the number 1 gadget looks simple, but it completely changes how you use your car every single day. Let's start with number 3. At number 3. This tiny upgrade can instantly make your car feel way more comfortable and weirdly organized. This car armrest storage box straps right onto your center console and lifts it to a more natural height. So instead of awkward arm angles, your arm just rests perfectly while you drive. It's made with a leather-style finish and a soft, memory foam feel that slowly bounces back, helping reduce wrists and arm fatigue on long drives. Here's where it gets interesting. You get a built-in cup holder and a hidden tissue box slot, super convenient. Plus, those side pockets, perfect for your phone, cards, or anything that usually disappears between the seats. If your arm gets tired or your center console is always messy, this is one of those simple upgrades that just makes driving feel better. Number 2. If you've ever had your head snap sideways while sleeping in a car, this fixes that instantly. This headrest attaches to your car seat using a smart 3-axis system that locks onto the existing headrest poles. On both sides, you get soft memory foam pads that swing down and gently hold your head in place. So instead of your head falling left and right, it stays stable and supported even on bumpy roads. And here's the cool part. The width is adjustable from 20 to 30 centimeters. So it fits both kids and adults easily. Families and frequent travelers love this because it makes long trips way more. Just keep in mind, only works if your seat has exposed metal headrest poles, so it won't fit cars with fixed one-piece headrests. If car naps usually end with neck pain or awkward positions, this is a simple upgrade that makes a huge difference. That's the list of 3 simple car gadgets that can make your daily drives a bit more comfortable and organized. If any of these stood out to you, you can find the details and options in the description below. Thanks for watching.